We know very well that public transport in Kenya is private business. And the government does not support us in any way in terms of subsidies or providing stimulus. So members are complaining about the mistreatment by the government in terms of discrimination. This appears to be a tool to destroy the public transport, matatu. We know very well that SGR, the money goes to government, railway, that is DMU, and even airlines. They're not privately owned like matatus. And we have decided that we're going to engage the government. The president given an order for the CS transport, engage stakeholders in coming up with recommendations on especially the capacity. Social distancing has made us lose our revenues by over 40%. And this has been an industry that has played a big role in economic being of the country. So